safeguarding the nation's critical infrastructure and vital installation believes that security is not only about protection but also about public participation and awareness. Through the Vande Mataram Coastal Cyclothon 2026, we aim to promote national integration, coastal security awareness, environmental responsibility, physical fitness and healthy lifestyle, youth participation in national building. This cyclothon symbolizes endurance, discipline, unity and patriotism. Our cyclists are carrying the message of Vande Mataram along the coastline, inspiring citizens to stay alert, stay fit and stay united. The distribution of sapling today reflects our commitment towards environmental sustainability. Every sapling planted is a step towards a greener and safer India.
भारत माता की वंदे मातरम कोस्टल साइक्लोथॉन 2026 इस कार्यक्रम में मेरे साथ है कर्नल झा, बाकी के सभी सीनियर ऑफिसर्स, CISF जवान्स, फ्रेंड्स. इट्स ए ग्रेट ऑनर फॉर मी to attend this function of paramilitary forces CISF. I am more feeling honored because I was an NCC cadet myself during college, and I realized the importance of NCC, which helps me today also in my day-to-day life. Whether it is that I had fired .303 rifle during those days, whether it is discipline, lots of things we learn in NCC, which helped me in my day-to-day life. Dressing well, even the laces of the shoes, you must tie it properly. That was the discipline in NCC. I hope CISF is as good as paramilitary force which protects industries, airports, which are very, very important installations. That if we are safe today in our country, it is because of the contribution and sacrifice of paramilitary forces. This all of us should take it. They are all part of you. We sleep peacefully because there is somebody who defends us at the border. There is somebody who defends us at the various places. If the airports are safe today, it is ready goes to CISF who guard the airport. Industrial establishment like Goa shipyard, Kochi shipyard, they are safe today. It is only because of the contribution given by CISF who guard all the installations. And that is why I congratulate all of you. Moving across the states, trying to understand the states, trying to understand the different cultures of the states. And this is going from west, one group is going from east. I congratulate you, I welcome you to the beautiful state of Goa. This is Goa. You are in the commercial capital of Goa. If India is well protected, if other enemies are worried of India, it is only because of people like you. I am happy to see that ladies are also participating. This is the woman power empowerment era. Prime Minister believes that each and every field, women should be there. He encourages women to participate in each and every field. When Operation Sindoor was there, he chose 2 lady officers to bring the flag, entire India.
Cyclothon rally has started from Lakpat Fort and will be culminating in Kochi. It is a 25-day journey and we started on 28th of Jan and we will finish our rally in Kochi on 22nd February. This is a 25-day journey and along with travelling on the roads in miles, we are also travelling the distance in hearts of the people. This is 150 years of Vande Mataram. To commemorate that, next we are celebrating the culture of our country, which is so diverse and so vast.
Myself, Naina Port, Sub Inspector Naina Port, and we have started our journey from Lakpat Port Gujarat, and we are going to end it in Kochi. And the total kilometers, we are traveling 3,500 kilometers, and we have traveled till Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa.